Tired of wrestling with code to build interactive communication experiences? Well, get ready to unlock the power of visual programming, because today, we're diving into Twilio Flow, your drag-and-drop solution to building custom communication workflows, no coding degree required. First, log into your Twilio account and navigate to the Flows section, usually found on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Now, hit that Create Flow button while it's time to start building. Twilio offers several pre-built templates for common use cases, such as sending SMS messages, collecting information, or even forwarding calls to an agent. Feel free to explore these templates to get a head start, but for this tutorial, we'll select Start from Scratch. You'll land on the Flow canvas. Notice the pre-existing trigger widget. This is what starts your flow to add functionality. Click the plus icon next to any widget. A library of widgets will appear. Browse through options like send SMS, make call, or gather input. Each widget represents a specific action in your communication flow. Simply drag and drop a widget onto the canvas and connect it to another widget to define the sequence of actions. Let's drag and drop a send SMS widget, connect it to the trigger, and now we can craft our automated text message. Click on the new widget to configure it. Fill in the necessary details, like the recipient's phone number, your Twilio phone number, and the message you want to send. You can continue adding and connecting widgets to build complex, multi-step workflows. Experiment with different widgets to create tailored communication experiences. Don't forget to save your flow regularly. Once you're satisfied, hit the Publish button to activate it. And that's it. You've just built a Twilio Flow. Go ahead and explore the possibilities and start creating powerful, automated communication solutions today.